What's up, guys? Today I'm here at a pretty unique dealership. As you can tell, I'm not in the barn working on the 240. I decided to show you guys this unique dealership. It is absolutely mind-blowing here. All the vehicles here are on consignment. They take them in. If you have something unique or something that you think that they might like, they will take them in and sell them for you. They ship worldwide. I think that you guys are gonna like this video, so stay tuned and watch. Super cool. Look at this Mercedes right in the front showroom. This Mercedes 240D diesel. These things are just absolutely cool. I mean, look at how clean all these vehicles are. Cool story about this Lincoln right here. This Lincoln Continental was owned by Burt Reynolds. I think that is so cool how in the olden days, just some of the here, how the windows were designed, the interior, bench seats. We got C7 here. This thing is clean. Sick. So sick. Got an Audi R8 over here. I love these cars. These cars are just some of the coolest cars ever. So 09 carbon fiber sides, interior, super clean. Just clean. Got the Ferrari California, Maserati, 2 C8s. So if you're looking for a C8, definitely check them out because they have 2 of them here. One in blue, one in white. I love the front of that. Like, so aggressive. Chevy did a great job on this. I think they did an amazing job. Now, I don't believe that any of these have been modified. They're all stock. Let's see here. This interior is so awesome. What do you guys think? The blue on white? Or do you like the white on black? I think the blue on white looks a lot better. I think this is just the base model here. So cool. Ferrari California. This thing is cool. Love how Ferrari does their headlights and taillights. I just think that they put so much detail into them. That's just my opinion. I mean, the inside, super clean. It's just a preview of the beginning of what they have here. They have 3 different locations. So I'm at the one here in Grand Rapids, and it's just so cool. It's so cool. Let's get a walkthrough of the rest of it. Check this out. They got literally everything here. Old Buicks. They got MGs. I mean, anything. Croswell. I've never heard of this. This car is pretty unique and cool. It's got the historical license plate. Look at the Z. Oh, that's sick. 280Z. Look at that, 3-piece wheels. Carbon fiber lip. This thing is clean. Super clean. A lot of these cars have been restored or are OEM. It just depends on what the customer says. Z28 SVT Mustang. I mean, they literally have any car that you can imagine. Check out this Charger over here. This thing is sick. One car I want you guys to see that I think that's awesome. If you know me, I love my exotics, so let's go check this out. Look at this Porsche. Lamborghini Gallardo Spider. This thing is sweet. This thing is awesome. That's just 2 rows in here, and I've already seen some pretty awesome cars. Now earlier I did see a car that is super unique that I think that you guys would like to see, that I don't even know if they even have many in production. Oh, look at, probably one of the most unique cars. This is the first time I've ever seen one in real life. Look at this thing. So awesome to see. Look at how clean it is. They got BMW Z3, Mustang, Porsche, I like how on the dash that they got the GT500 in there. That's sweet. Supercharged?
Supercharged.
Look at that. It is a SVT.
Oh, it is special vehicle.
Yep, it is.
Yep.
This thing is sick. You guys just got this in?
We had both of these, the GT350 and the 500, for about 2 weeks.
Wow.
Still haven't got pricing on it.
Okay.
But it's a monster.
What's the story on this Porsche right here?
Sure, it just came in. I don't know.
I'm not too up to date on my Porsches, so but this thing
14.
definitely really cool. 944, right?
914.
914.
Yep. It's 70-ish. I'm not sure what year it is on it. Maybe I can tell you.
Do you know how much horse that this thing is pushing?
I don't know if it says here or not. Car was dyno tested in 766 horsepower.
So this thing has 766 horsepower.
400 miles on the car since the build.
Sitting on HRE wheels. Wow. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, post. These people here are awesome. I'd love to do more with them in the future. Super nice people, well taken care of cars. If you bring your car here, they're definitely gonna treat it with the utmost respect. I wish I could have got them to start a couple of them. If you guys like this, let me know in the comments below. I'll leave a link so that you guys can check them out. If there's any car that you might be looking for, classic, luxury, fast, anything that you are looking for, I'm sure that they're gonna have it here at this showroom at some point, and they will ship worldwide. So anywhere across the US, it just absolutely anywhere. So if there is a vehicle that you see on their website, get in contact with them. They're super awesome. They'll help you out. They will walk you through, get everything that you need to get it shipped to you and take care of you. These cars are probably some of the cleanest cars, some of the most well-kept cars I've ever seen around in a showroom, in a dealership. There's their phone number right there. So GR, they buy, sell, trade. They do pretty much everything. And super nice people. Follow their page. They have a YouTube channel. Follow them. They, like I said, just great people here. Thank you. And on that note, this video is over, and I'll see you next time.